Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Enque Coding. In this session, I will discuss what are the steps to perform Enque operation and Dequeue operation. So first we discuss the algorithm for Enque operation, and after that we discuss how the algorithm for Dequeue operation in a queue. So in the first step, we start the algorithm by start. Okay, so in the step 1, this is our step 1. In step 1, we check if the queue is full. Now this is we are performing algorithm, we are performing Enque operation on linear queue, okay. So in linear queue, if rear is equal to n minus 1, then you can say queue is overflow. In that case you write overflow, okay. So first we check if queue is full. How to check queue is full? By using this condition. If rear equal to n minus 1, it means queue is full. It means there is no empty space in a queue. We are not able to perform the Enque operation. So here we in the second step, step 2, we check if the queue is full. If this condition value is true, then produce or print overflow, error and exit. In that case, here exit function is called, okay. Now in the step 3, if queue is not full, it means there are some empty spaces, then just increment rear, increment the rear pointer by using the formula rear is equal to rear plus 1, by using this formula, okay. And rear point to the next empty space, okay, by incrementing rear is equal to rear plus 1, rear point to the next empty space. Then in the step 4, add that data element or insert that data element to the queue of rear location, okay, where the rear is pointing, okay. And how to perform this operation? Queue of rear is equal to item, by using this step, okay. And then in step 5, return success and then end. I hope all of you clear how to perform the Enque operation on queue. So I repeat, first we check queue is full or not. If the queue is full, produce overflow and exit. If queue is not full, then just increment the rear pointer by using the formula rear is equal to rear plus 1, and after this insert that element insert that data element to the rear index by using the statement queue of rear is equal to item, and then return success and end. So I hope all of you clear. If anyone have any issue regarding this, you can comment me in the comment box, okay. Now we discuss algorithm for performing the Dequeue operation. Algorithm for performing the Dequeue operation, okay, on a queue. These are the algorithms for linear queue, okay. So for Dequeue operation, we have to check the condition of underflow. We have to check the condition for underflow, okay. When the underflow is occurred, when your queue is empty, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose this one is the queue that have the size 5, okay. Right now queue is empty. If your queue is empty and you are performing another Dequeue operation, at that time underflow is occurred. So in step 1, we check queue is empty. Now how we check the queue is empty? If front double equal to -1. If a front double equal to -1, then you can write C out underflow. You can write underflow and exit. An exit function is called in that case. Okay. If Q is empty, now in step 2, if Q is empty, print or produce underflow, error and exit. Okay. Now in the step 3, if this condition values to false, if Q is not empty, if Q is not empty, it means there are some, if Q is not empty, it means there are some elements in the in a queue. Suppose here we have 10, 20 and 30. Suppose we have these elements. Okay, now which element is insert first? 10 element, 10 insert first. So first we delete this 10 element. Okay, so right now front point to 0 index, rear point to the second index. Okay, rear point to the second index right now. Okay, so now in step 4, sorry, if in step 3, if Q is not empty, then what we do? Assess the data where the front is pointing. So first we assess, first we store this, first we fetch this element 10 in some variable by using the statement item is equal to Q of front. Q of front. Okay, item is equal to Q of front. What is value of front? Front has a value 0. What is Q of 0? Q of 0 is 10. 10 go where? 10 go in item variable. Okay, first we fetch the value, and in step 4 what I do? In step 4 what I do? Increment front pointer. Now I increment front pointer because we are performing Dequeue operation. Because we are performing Dequeue operation. That's why. Okay, so increment front by using the formula front is equal to front plus 1. Okay, increment front pointer to point to the next available space. It means now front point to after deleting this 10, now front point to the second element, that is 20, and then returns success and exit. I hope all of you clear, all of you understood the steps. Okay, so, thanks for watching my video, and if you like my video, kindly comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.